Howdy do. Got the old use arms right here. You can see they're kind of ugly looking with a bunch of extra holes in them and markings and stuff. So what I'm going to do is put this aside. Right over here next to the camera. Because I've got a newer cleaner set with only one extra hole that you can't really see inside there. Looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. Not as much schmutz and writing all over it. Everything is nice and streamlined, and I've got the cables hooked up, so my armor stand's wanting to fall down, but you can see, or maybe you can't, I don't know how much of this is in shot, but it works pretty well. Except that piece, it's a little bit too long. And it's causing like the cable to hang up a little bit. But other than that, takes about 50 feet of PVC and at least 25, 30, 2.5 inch machine screws at 1/4 inch. And the only nuts on it are holding on the Bowden anchors. How I got these other machine screws in, it's just a hole drilled that's slightly smaller than the diameter of the screw. That way the threads kind of wrap around and bite into the PVC, holding it in place, but still allows it to rotate a little. And I guess that's it. Now I'm going to be moving on to designing some like armor covering for this. Maybe making another set of stilts so I can have 2 use frames kicking around. You know, put some. Where are they? Here we go. Boxing gloves on both of them. Maybe have a little fight. Who knows? And of course, put the right arm onto John Mick stud. So, I guess if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe and keep working on your mech arms. Bye bye.